Hey everyone, it's Case here, and today I'm going to be showing you a tag generator for YouTube. So, without further ado, let's get straight into it. So, what you want to do is now you want to go to the link in the description to this page, and what you want to once you're in the page, you want to go into this field and type what your video is about. Well, for me, I'm making a video about a tag generator for YouTube, so I'm gonna type in that in the field. So I'm gonna type tag generator for YouTube and press enter or press search here, and as you can see guys, it generated a lot of tags for me, so I'm gonna press copy here. And what I'm gonna do now is I'm going to go to my tag box right here in my YouTube studio. I'm going to press show more, and I'm going to go down to tags, and I'm going to press Ctrl V or paste, or just paste them there. And as you can see, it pasted all the tags. So now you have your tags in your videos. So if you guys enjoyed the video, make sure to drop a like on it and subscribe and turn on post notifications. It really help me out, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.